I'm here with the Nostalgia MyMini Skillet and Noodle Cooker, and I'm using the pot that came with this mini appliance, and I want to make some hard-boiled eggs. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I've put a little bit of water in this pot, and I'm just going to add some eggs to it. I've heard that it should take about 4 eggs, but I've just put 3 in and the water is already too high, so let me dump some of this water out. So that's 4 eggs. These are grade A large eggs. I'm going to pour a little bit more water in here. Okay, maybe that's too much. I don't know. So let's cover this. It's now about 8 minutes later. I don't know if you could see this, but there's some water that has escaped from this pan. I'm going to let this continue to boil for another 10 minutes just because I haven't been watching it. I don't know exactly when it started boiling. And then I think these hard-boiled eggs will be done after another 10 minutes. The eggs have been cooking another 10 minutes, so I'm going to unplug this now. There's a lot less water in this pan. The handle does get a little bit hot. Just going to cool these off for a little while. This is one of the eggs I just cooked. It peeled really nicely, so let's cut this in half and let's see how it looks inside. And there's the inside of the egg. It looks like a perfectly hard-boiled egg. That's awesome. Really good. I'm sorry for the noise in the background. I have something else cooking right now. But that's how you can make hard-boiled eggs in this Nostalgia MyMini Skillet and Noodle Cooker. I hope the video is helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos with this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.